Gordon, what's in this box?
Hey, this is Blackview's BV9600 Pro. I'm about to unbox if I can figure out how to get out of this box.
What's so special about this?
So what's special about this phone is it is a rugged phone. Now, of course, rugged phones, the ones your contractors have.
Like the Moto, Force?
No, this is not like that.
No?
This is a phone that this company, holy smokes, they really packed.
They really taped it in there. For such a rugged phone, they taped the package pretty rugged too.
I don't want to actually cut the phone, but you know what? I don't really have to worry about that now, do I?
Yeah,
it's a rugged phone.
Yeah, just really dig in there.
This is one mother big phone. It is a 6.2-inch Super AMOLED. Well, I did cut the box a little bit. With a massive, huge battery. What is that?
5500.
5500 milliamps. MediaTek. But their claim to fame is this is rugged. Now, I'm a big fan of rugged phones. My personal phone is a phone, just a Pixel 2 XL. But you know, like most people,
you've got a case on it. You
ruggedize it, and this is a Pixel 2 XL, generally a pretty small phone.
And what kind of case is that?
This is just the OtterBox Defender, right? It's what you do. This phone, you don't apparently even need one of these cases. They have videos on their website where they take this phone, they drop it off, looks like about the second story, frozen in ice. They put it in liquid nitrogen. They light it on fire.
They hammer nails
they
in
hammer
with the
nails
front.
with the screen.
Yeah.
I mean, let's just see. I'm more worried about actually hurting myself or the nearby laptop. This thing, it feels like it's built like a tank.
Sturdy, yeah.
Yeah, it feels like it. And you know, again, we're not going to get into the specs here. We'll get into that later. But it's a MediaTek Helio P60. Basically, you know, standard big core, little core, 8-core CPU, SoC. Most rugged phones that I have seen, I've seen the Cat S60. There's some old Verizon phone that I have sitting around in a box. They don't generally give you high performance SoCs like you might get in a Pixel 3 or an iPhone because those chips make a lot of heat. It's really hard to dissipate the heat in these rugged phones. And they really put all of it into the ruggedness. This thing is waterproof. They have video of people swimming underwater with it. We should have brought some water here, but I'm sure it's fine. It says it's actually, yes, submersible.
IP68.
IP68. I think it's a dual SIM, or at least it's a, yeah, it looks like it's a dual SIM. Wow, that's pretty cool. But the big thing is it's rugged. I mean, you're not gonna really worry about this. But it's also huge. I mean, look at this. This is the Pixel 2 XL with the case. This is probably the only other phone that I can think of that's bigger. The red hydrogen. And of course, for a little bit of scale, an iPhone XS Max. No, actually, that's the Palm. That is just a big phone, but actually, surprisingly, it's not as big as I thought it would be, right?
Really?
I mean, that red is huge.
Yeah, I mean
that red is huge.
You know, and the build material. I mean, you know, it looks rugged. It doesn't look like it's trying to hide the fact that
it's got, you know, for people who have their FJ Cruisers or Jeeps or big off-road vehicles, this is nice. This is for your contractor who comes in with the plumbers, the butt crack, and this is what they would have. But look at this. The nice thing about this is you don't have to put it in the case to make it ruggedized. That's what most people do. They take a nice phone, they ruggedize it. this thing, I bet I could hammer another phone to death with this. We should take another phone and just hammer it to death. So the one thing is, I want to know what you want us to do with this thing. So we are going to, actually, let's take a look at it a little. I want to see, oh no, that's the tray. That doesn't look that waterproof though, I gotta say.
It says IP68.
Okay, it's got gaskets. You're fine until that gasket gives out, basically. Everything is waterproof until it isn't, from my experience. I probably would have been better with a eSIM or something. There is a fingerprint reader on the side. It says dust proof. Well, it's waterproof. It's going to be dust proof probably. Oh, we're turning on volume. They also say an in-screen fingerprint reader, but I don't know about that.
Yeah, we'll have to see. It is AMOLED screen.
AMOLED. It does say some CDMA support, but honestly, it's going to be a GSM phone, right? Android 8.
Yeah, it's got the notch, of course, you know. So it's the hip trendy thing.
Oh yeah, it does have a notch. How do you like that? Yeah. Even this thing has a notch.
Yeah. So we don't need to worry too much about setting it up.
Yeah, I just want to turn it on here. But yeah, again, so what we want to know from you, viewers, is what to do with this phone. I've seen videos where people put in liquid nitrogen, let it on fire. They put it looks like they put it in Cool Whip or something. I don't know what kind of a test that is, but they put it in Cool Whip. I don't think people have blended it. I've seen it in videos where people put it in a fish tank. My guess is I want to just take another phone and basically see if I can hammer that thing to death with this phone. We'll do a drop test. We'll of course do water tests. We'll try to burn it a little bit. I don't think I really want to hit it with a full blowtorch. I can bring in a blowtorch. We can see what happens. That could be the last test. We could try to shoot it. I'm pretty sure that will kill it, but maybe we could try like a 22 or something. But look, I'm gonna. Ooh, look at that.
Man, you wouldn't want to do that to your.
No, I would not do that to.
Nice $1,000 Note 9.
Right. So we're, is it rubber? So the rubberized seems to hold it. No. I mean, probably. I bet that soot just wipes right off.
Nice. Yeah. Well, you tell us what you want us to do with it. We'll take some of the best answers.
Yeah. Go to the comments. Let us know what you want to do with it, and no, we're not going to jam it up someplace. But let us know, and we'll try the best answers, like Adam said. And I really want to see. I mean, this thing just feels like a tank. It just feels like nice. I kind of wonder if it works on my network. I may want to give it a try.
No, I knew you'd be into it.
6 gigs, 128 gigs, I think, or 64 gigs. 128 gigs of storage.
Yeah, that's
yeah,
serious.
And 2 SIM slots. Pretty nice.
For work and play.
And again, not going to be the highest performance MediaTek processor, but I got to say, looking at performance, maybe half of what current phones are, but it's a rugged phone. Let me see if I can rub off all that. Look at that. Good as new.
Perfect.
I got to get right back out to giving an estimate on doing some plumbing at somebody's house.
There you go.
But let us know. Go to comments. Tell us what you want us to do with this Blackview BV9600 Pro to see if we can break it.